All right, we're looking at 6. Now, if you look at this and you say, I have no idea how to do it. It's all right. You're in a good club. Lots of people don't. But one of the things that you are fully capable of doing is pulling out a piece of graph paper and saying, well, I have no idea what it is, but if I give myself a visual, maybe that will help me a little. So we're going to do it. We have a center at 2, 3. And we have it going through the point -5, +3. So this is where my circle is going. Now, oops, you can't even see that. There's where my circle is going. It's not a very good circle. Because I can make it better because I know if this is my center and this is going through this point, 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7. 7 is my radius. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So this is not much better, is it? That's all right. That is my lovely circle. Now, I should be able to write an equation. Remember, I've got the setup. It's always good to write all the stuff there so that you can kind of just plug things in. So the center is here. There's 2 points here, so you have to read. You have to know what's going on. The center is at 2, so opposite, and 3, so opposite. Remember now that it's width on both of them. They're opposite on both. And then the radius is 7. So that means that my answer is 49. So I am able to do that without really even plugging anything in. Okay? Now, what I could have done is say it didn't work out that pretty, but I did know this. And I didn't know that. So say I didn't know what the radius was. What I could do if I'm looking for a variable and I have other things to plug in other words, a -5 and a 3. Did you catch that? So I'm looking for a number. This is very similar to finding the a value in a parabola. And if I'm looking for a value, if I have an x and y to plug in, if I plug it in, this ends up being 0. This ends up being 7 squared. So that means that the r squared is equal to 49, which is exactly what we got that way. So again, this idea of plugging things in to find other values is very important. We use it a lot. Let's go ahead and look at one other one in the same video. So bonus video number 7. The graph of one of the following circles has a center at -2, 1. Which circle is it? Well, is there anything I can eliminate? If I have, let's just look at this one here, just so we can kind of see. Let's just look at this, because they're all pretty similar, and I want to see what's going on. So, I'm just doing the stuff. Am I? xy squared plus 2y is equal to 4. So, if I added a 4 here, and I added a 4 here, and I added a divide by 2 and square is 1, divide by 2 and square is 4, added a 1 here, I would get x plus 2, that works, and y plus 1, that does not work. So here's the deal. I like this situation, the fact that it's a positive 4x, that gives me a plus 2 here, so this is out, and this is out. But what I want is I want a -1 here. And the only way to get a -1 there is to have a negative value there. So, that's what we want. This one here we found actually didn't work. So, looking at all these, saying, oh my gosh, where do I even start? Well, just try one. See what happens and see if you can fix it.